Hello guys, if you are having problems sending messages in your Android phone, then here is the solution. As you can see, I can send messages right now through my phone. So here is what you can do. First, go to your messages setting, then go to message setting and click on more setting. Then click on text messages. From there, change your message sent number as mentioned in the screen. I will also pin it to the description. If your SIM card is from another country, I have listed them in the description too. After that, restart your phone. Now I can simply send and receive any messages. This should solve most of the problems. If it doesn't, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you want more informative content like this.